Amazon MGM Studios presents.
Heads up, Hawaiian Electric gonna be.
Dutangire hakuno hehe pamagambo. Hano umuhanda umeze n'abambutiyaje. Dutangire hakuno hari umusaza uri hano. To. Umusaza uri kugenda ariko afite urwikekwe ko sinzi. Urebe. Genda cunga iburyo n'ibumoso. Kwa kuntu umunyabyaha yirukanka nta muntu umwirukanga nyirebe. Cyega cye bucece mu gace. Sinzi kumbuka ari kugenda ageze hano yapfani y'ubururu yaramwambaye. Na Dave Batiste iyi filime nibo bagize gute nibo ba producer bawe. Kwereka tuvuye twigarukira hakuno Dave Batiste uramubona? Shakuno. Yica hano muri piscine do nimba ari kumedita nimba yacomye biki.
Go again in 30 seconds.
Mugiye gusubiramo amasegonda 30. Mwese musubire muri piscine. Jega fandi. Hakuno muzee wapfuye. Umusore yahise aza kumureba yambaye uniform ya gisirikare US Navy. Yambaye uniform ya gisirikare. Byarabaye. Tubeho kandi nanone gace bucece mu gace. Mugabo n'umusirikare bamwita Dave Batiste amazina y'inyakuri. Ni icyamamare shararenze yakukine filime nka Army of the Dead. Turaza kureba tumaze kurya nimba biri gukora nyine ko curuba ari bikunda. Nababwiye guki kujya mwiruka mu. Tubabere papa.
Yes sir.
Yego fund. Hakuna afite abana ba. Ariko
he has a dentist appointment tomorrow.
Ejo reni afitanye gahunda n'umuganga w'amenyo.
Can you get Kai from soccer?
Wazajya kuzana umwana Kai ahakinira umupira. Sanzajya.
How was your day?
Munsi wagenze ute? Munsi. Sari sawa.
Usual.
Ni bisanzwe.
Water competency drills with a new cadet.
Agiye gutoza abana b'abakadete bashasha kogera mu mazi.
We don't know how many are going to make it though.
Sinzi baba bana bazabishobora yacu. Tuvuye aho nanone bigarukire hakuno muri Oklahoma. To wamubonye Jason Momoa n'ururara show. Natashya gukine Greenland rimwe na kabiri yirimo Enemy Within yirimo uyu mugore.
Why is everything in the car?
Kubera ibintu byose uri kubishyira mu modoka.
Going. What the hell's going on?
Iki kiri kuja mbere? Uruko.
Valentina, please talk to me.
Valentina basi mvugisha.
To talk.
Nyuma arashaka ko tuvugana uyu mugabo.
I talk. And talk and talk and talk and talk.
Situsanzwe tuvugana serikare kandi njye uvuga nkongera nkavuga nkibaraguza nkitapa.
But you don't hear me.
Ntabwo ubunyumva.
So weird.
Biracanganye. Muvanga mbwirere.
Grown up Johnny.
Maze gukura Johnny.
To bank. And
nimba mbasha kuyobora bank nkayimanaginga we ntiwana.
You're dicking around.
Umeze nk'ikigoryi kizenguruka dicking around.
I'm a police officer who just had a really
Oya ndafande muri police officer baniruka muce muri byaha. Bare kuba nakene.
I'm still the same guy that you fell in love with.
Ariko ndacyari wa musore wahoze ukundana umwe wakunze na mbere.
You never will change.
Okay ndabizi ko utigeze uhinduka. Bare kuturuka.
Is that boundary shit, right?
Basi hari imirongo naba narenze.
I'm sorry. Valentina, please look at me.
Kigoryi hakuno ibyo byarabaye. Zo bimaze kuba hakuno umusore yagize gute yinjiriye mu nzu. Do kiba cyambaye ubusa mu nzu dore umufutu do. Ni igisinzi sho cya kiri kuri byeri cyasindaganye do.
Yeah.
Yego. Johnny bimeze bite?
This is Layla Halle.
Je banyita Layla Halle. Yego.
I'm James's wife.
Du umugore wa James.
James' wife.
Mumeze mute madamu James?
Yeah, it's kind of crazy we've never met.
Ni biratangaje kuba nje nawe tutarigeze tubonana.
Crazy.
Sha biranatangaje byo n'ubusazi kabisa.
Your father, Walter.
Yumva mwana. Papa Walter.
I'm afraid he's passed away.
Mfite ubwoba bwo kukubwira ko yapfuye.
Figured he died years ago.
Nari nzi ko yapfuye kera imyaka yashize do. Ufatira icyuma tu.
What the fuck?
Aski ibi ni ibiki?
Johnny
You
we.
just got the wrong house, man.
Hano hari abarara bibeshya inzu. Shira munyari.
Oopsie.
Aski
Detective Johnny Halle.
Detective Johnny Halle, sibyo?
26 Arrowhead Lane.
Umuhanda uteyo ni 26 Arrowhead Lane, sibyo?
26. Okay.
Brad
House.
Walter sent you a package.
Papa Walter hari agapfunyika yakwoherereje. Mwibuke filime itangira hari agapfunyika twabonye umugabo yohereza.
Where is it?
Kari hehe ako gapfunyika?
Walter's dead, man.
Musa Walter yapfuye.
And you join him.
Bratse! Mugabo! Yigize umusazi! Gira gutya! No! Nindwanya ariko nubwo ari umusinzi nindwanyi! kinini kikubita hakuno abagabo babaje bigize abayakuza bigize abadaje to biranga sinzi mwoherereje gusa uyu mugabo avuze ko amaze imyaka hafi 10 atavugana na se imyaka 20 atagera muri Hawaii aho se yaratuye ebe cyeni ndamuka mpfuye rero mureke mbabwirisi muzandirire yego yenda muzankingure kuko buri muntu wese adizavingwa gushyingura ariko kundirira oya ntabyo mbatumye n'ubundi vuni mukungugu ikimuki hakuno muzehe
Interesting crowd.
Abantu baje gushyingura nabo ntago basanzwe agatsiko kaba yakuza.
There was a private detective.
Warita yari umudetective wigenga.
Guess he walked a fine line.
Ndakeka yagiye aca mu nzira zitungana.
Was no line.
Nta murongo yigeze agendera. Ya muginga wapi? Papa wiwe bose ntago bamukunda babana. Johnny ntago ari
Walter off years ago.
It's his father or something.
Wamwandikiye imyaka iminsi yashize.
And him must want to be here.
Ariko nimba papa yapfuye byibura yakaba yari ha.
You know Johnny like I do.
Ako John umenye utamuzi nkuko muzi.
Asa gukora iki? Like think you do.
Ahubwo umenye uko muzi atari ko yakaba wakabaye mumenye kumbe cya John cyaje do.
I miss you so much.
Nari nguku.
Told me to say that. Can we just get on with the fucking funeral?
Barongera barashwana.
Puppet, ever shove her hand up her ass inside?
Barongera barashwana do. We mwacicatse ariko mwabajinga.
Sorry.
Tubabarire pad tubabarire.
Family friend, Governor Peter Maho.
Inshuti y'uyu muryango Guverineri Peter Maho.
Here to share a few words of remembrance.
Naze agira amagambo atubwira kuri uyu nyakwigendera wapfuye.
Mahalo yako.
Mahoro we wakoze padiri Mahoro.
My dear Ohana.
Inshuti zanjye zarabaye. Aloha State muri Hawaii. Bueno.
You kept Malia's house?
Inzu ya Maria warayigumanye?
Yeah, I took over the mortgage after she passed.
Akimara gupfa nyine mu byo bampaye nayirimo.
It's a lot smaller than I remember.
Nayivanye muri mortgage. Mortgage ni kwa kuntu nyine utanga ingwate ku kintu. Kumbo ni inzu yabaye ntoya kurusha uko mbyibuka.
I was always small.
Oya ni gutya yahoze ari ntoya.
She made room for you anyway.
N'ubundi uriya mugore yaguteguriye icyumba.
Fucking hated that.
What are you talking about?
Na mama wanjye yaguteguriraga icyumba narabyangaga shaka. Zinyuma ya Energy FM. Yora. Yewe wasanye iyi filime aranayishyura yampaye ibiciro arambwira ati simbi filime yikore tuyiha abantu turebe icyo bizabamarira. Aba DJ mbashoreremo bagenzi banje nubwo batazinguka. Hakuno baje ku meza. Dore ukuntu barebana do.
Well, it's nice to have you boys under the one roof.
Shani byiza kuba mwembi babiri muri munsi y'igisenge kimwe.
I would have been very happy.
Mama wawe yakaba yateshe mana byo kwezi. No. Singo bapinga.
Sorry to hear that Malia had passed on.
Babarire kuba Maria yarapfuye.
Yeah, you should have come back then.
Kuki utagarutse ngo uzumushyire?
We're like a son to her.
Kwari umeze nk'umwana wiwe yibyariye.
I wasn't her son.
Ariko ntago nari umwana we, sinari umuhungu
You know that asshole that's what like us.
Abizi wa kigoro.
Literally fucking dumbass.
Tangira gutonga.
That's what it means. What? Rubbish.
Ariko nawe menye yari mushiki wabo simbizi.
Don't copy it.
Ukumva amagambo ya auntie twana hano. Ebe. None.
Are you seeing anyone, Johnny?
Johnny, hari umuntu musigaye muteretana? Humba umugore yagitaye do.
Someone killed Walter?
Hari umuntu wishe Walter. Nikuvuze.
You haven't seen her talk to the guy in over 20 years.
Ashize imyaka 20 mutabona na mutana.
Go sniff around his business?
None utangiye kuza kujya muri business.
Just gonna stir up trouble. That's what you do. It's like
itekuzana ibibazo nicyo ukora.
Fucking superpower. That's what I
Imeze nk'ari zo mbaraga zawe.
Do because I'm a cop.
Not here.
Ibyo nkora kuko ndi
Here
umupolisi.
you're not.
Hano ntago uri umupolisi rero.
You don't have to worry about it. I see
Ibyo
it.
byo ntubigere ikibazo ariko n'ubundi.
You got your beautiful wife,
Kubibona ufite umugore
your
mwiza.
kids,
Ufite abana.
your job at the...
Ufite akazani.
Hey baby, you want to go to private singing room with me?
Waje tukajya mu cyumba nkajya kukuririmbira tukajya kuririmba. Ntago njya ndirimba.
I can make you sing.
Natumuririmba. Uzi churubaru. Iyi si churuba.
Maybe another...
Ya ubutaha nabanje Imana. Uyigumira hakuno do. Bega.
You look like you can use it.
Mbona sibyo bintu wazabimenyera bya churubaru umukecuru. Mbona taye ufite. Taye nyine y'iki ni. Kiraguricya. Tera shot. Inzoga nkabura uko ngira ndagatsindwa ndakapu. Do. Riano. Waja.
I know I smelled shit.
Nari busy ikintu ndi guhumurira. Do.
Johnny Holly.
Johnny Holly. Areka ibimeze
I
bitase.
didn't think that even you were dumb enough to come back here.
Ntabwo nari nzi kuri ikigoryi cyo kugaruka ina. Ndamureke. Tumwigisha ka. Sawa ba munyumve mu. Mutero hakuno. Aramucurika. Kinga we. We.
You know.
Kanguka rero hano.
Name's Holly.
Wa musirikara fund. Yaje hakuno kuri polisi abanza amenye ikirego cya papa we kigeze ko bamugonze n'iki.
Walter's son.
Uri umuhungu wa Walter.
I'm sorry for your loss, truly.
Babarire kubw'igihombo mwagize.
Thank you. I am late for a briefing.
Nakererewe kujya guhereza briefing rero abapolisi.
Do you mind if I walk with you?
Hari ikibazo tugendanye se. Ntari
I was hoping to get a look at the police report.
You
shakaga kureba muri raporo ya polisi.
can, but I can tell you
Yego ayireba.
you're not going to find anything in it.
Ariko n'ubundi nta kintu wasanga.
Why's that?
Kubera
He was hit in Kalihi.
kubera ko bamugongeye muri Kalihi uwamugonze
No
ahita niruka.
thoughts to the cops over there. No
Ari
witness.
ahantu nta muntu ujya uvugisha
This
umupolisi.
is no forensics.
Mutanga
No nothing.
na forensic nta kintu babonye.
Traffic
Nta na kimwe.
cams.
Kamera zo ku muhanda
One wasn't working.
nta bimwe nawe ntago yari iri gukora.
Pretty convenient, isn't it?
Ndumva
Half
bidasobanutse.
of them are out across the island. We got like, what, 2 guys in a truck fixing them budget cuts.
Hano kuri iki kirwa tugira abakanishi nka babiri nibo bantu babasha kutumenyera ibyo ngibyo kuko bakorera make wenda bakatumenyera imodoka yagiye yangiritse.
So, a private detective with known ties to the criminal underworld gets killed in a...
Byara umwana akamwita Seburikoko w'umuhungu n'umukobwa akazamwita Seburikoko. Hakuno kumba ari muri office hari umugabo winjiye to. Nana winjiye mano. Kigali we. Sora mubonye to. Takwepa uyu musore nimbwa mumuzi muri filime. Muri Spider-Man numva ari muri byo cyandire. To umurara nubwo ari munini to. Daru kono umurara ari supura itamuminuka. To daru tumanyeri wowe. Umurara arabyibushye.
Suck my bottle, you fucker.
Wa kigoryi urakarya umuntu zanje.
Fuck you, fat Jackie Chan!
Nawe kijeho Jackie Chan ubyibushye we. Uyahita cinyuma. Ahita cinyuma ajya kureba uriya murara wari winjiye muri office ya se. Yaje gukora iki? Dore umurara arabyibushye ariko ukunda isupure. Kwepa sinzi n'iki byose. Ize gutya. Baramudunda. Abarebye filime yitwa Alice in Wonderland.
Say boto.
Ongera uvuga iki jambo avugaga ngo boto.
Wait.
Uvurnye izuru. Mwapashije ari.
It's alright, I'm a cop.
Rata mukiyorere ndi umupolisi.
You doing in Walter's apartment? You trying to rob him?
Muri iriya apartment ya Walter wari uri kugerageza
Hey,
kumwica.
fuck you, kid.
Kijeho kahandi.
Walter's like on father to me.
Uriya mugabo wapfuye Walter yari ameze nk'ari papa kuri njye.
Walter wasn't a father to anyone.
Uriya ntawe yigeze abera papa wawe.
Yeah, how the fuck would you know?
Ubizi ute?
Because I'm his son.
Kubera ko ndi umwana we.
Oh shit.
Kuki?
You're Johnny.
Ni we Johnny. Ni nge Johnny.
Wow.
Wega.
Hey, look.
Mwana musa.
This worked for your dad, kid.
Papa wawe namukoreraga sibyo?
Emails and
hakinga ama-email.
the phones and
tapinga amafone y'abandi nkayumviriza.
And took fuck pics of people. That's it.
Agenda mfotora abantu.
You know,
urabizi nyine niko kazi yakoraga nyine urumva nari umupambi.
would have wanted him killed.
Nta muntu uzi wari kugerageza kumwica muri ibi.
How much time you get?
Usigaranye igihe kingana
Walter was one fucking disruptor, bro.
Uriya mugabo ko yabangamiraga abantu
What's the last thing he had you doing?
Booze.
No, I can't say that I've been in before.
Ntago nigeze ngera hano na mbere ntago nzi.
Oh, you know, the hardest part is coming through the door.
Ikintu cya mbere kigora ni ukwinjira muri uriya muryango.
Mr. Kickman, run the special
Ikihe kintu se gikomeye nga mugutema
on
umusa.
the anal beads.
For
one, you look like you could handle a couple of ropes.
No, thanks.
Mubwira ibintu byuzuye mu busambanyi bw'ubutinganyi ntagiye gusobanura
I'm stocked up.
Okay.
Aya mavideo na shootinze yari aya papa niyo yari yantumenye ayo mafoto.
And also, twisting my nose does not fix my nose.
Kandi nawe dore wampindukije izuru ntago warivura.
That beer will.
Iyo byeri iraza kurivura, that beer will. Iyo byeri iraza kurivura. Rebe kureba hakuno.
Did Walter surf?
Ako papa wanje Walter yajyaga surfinga ku mazi kwa kuntu bagendera ku mazi.
Nah, he had bad knees.
Yari afite ikibazo mu ivi. Kureba hano abona surfing board. None siriya fin iri hariya ririya baba nyine riri kuri iriya surfing board ko ririho nabi. Rebe sawa kuno kuri surfing board arishireho neza. Kuri kiraho hakuno ari cyafutse. Kigali we. Rebe hakuno mbonyemo ikintu kimeze nimba ari ikimapu nimba ari igiki.
What the fuck are you up to, Walter?
Walter wari ugamije iki byo bimaze kuba ugarukire hakuno umucanga ku mazi ku ibici yeri kasi ko buraseri bahahiye kwa wese.
Considering the weather.
hakuno
The governor has been trending up in low end
guverineri amaze igihe kinini
neighborhood.
ashaka kongera inyungu abaturage bavana hano kuri uyu mucanga n'iki. Abantu bo muri Hawaii abantu bari kuba mu matente ntago
They should be living in their own homes or on their own land.
kabaye baba mu nzu zabo ku butaka.
On their own land.
Guverineri ibuke yari inshuti yawe nyakwigendera.
Take this.
Kamere tabite
Bye with him.
legend buri kumwe na guverineri nta.
I need each and every one of you to come.
I'm at work. What do you want?
Hey, what is it?
Ikindi ku kazi urashaka iki umenye uyu mukobwa ari mushiki wawe.
You actually...
Chenge cyo bucice.
Come on,
Gotcha.
down.
Bakiraho batarajya kure. Ariya bambaye irabakaragado. Doka bambaye irabakaragima. Tunikira kure n'indi nayo.
Go.
Dore siri kwentegere mu muhanda. Kigali we. Imodoka mu bwoko bwa Ram. Pick-up zigezweho bazita Ram ziba zifite logo y'igihanga cy'ihene n'amahembe abiri yigonze dododo. Hakuno.
Thinking, huh?
Abikora imwe mwatekerezaga ibikiferi ya mbere kuri polisi.
Those are 4 Yakuza hitters you turned into toast back there.
Abajenga mwe muzi ko bari abayakuza bane mwatwitse mukabashyira ku cyoke.
You want to tell me why the Yakuza want you dead?
Ubundi mwambwira impamvu abayakuza babashaka muri aba.
Ask them. Yakuza?
Wagiye ukababaza.
That's what that was?
Bari abara abayakuza. Cyana abapimpi. Uriya si abapimpi cyangwa abasavimbi.
And so this is the brother from Oklahoma.
Uyu ni wa mupolisi bambwiye se muvindi mwe nguva muri Oklahoma.
That's me.
Undi nje baranza ariko rije.
According to your boss, suspended with pay.
Gendeye ku byo boss yakubwiye ngo barakwirukanye ariko bakwishyura.
Pending an investigation.
Bite n'iperereza bari kugukora.
Excessive force.
Kubera kukoresha imbaraga z'umurengeri uri mu kazi. Sibyo?
Paid? The fuck?
Kumbe baracyanyishyura ngo abanabiza. Zana imishinga myinshi. Ubaka amahoteli amarizoti.
All over here, Asia, Europe.
Hano muri Aziya, i Burayi, ahantu hose.
His family controlled the sugarcane industry on the island.
Umuryango wiwe ni ufite uruganda rukora isukari.
For generations.
Hano kuri iki kirwa haciye imyaka myinshi ari uko bimeze.
I think Walter was working with Vampire Lestat here.
Urakeka se uwo mugabo ngo ni Walter yakoranaga ni uyu mugabo uri hano usa nk'Ivampire ngo ni Robisho.
Robishaw's big time.
We Robisho ararenze se
If he needed PI work, he'd hire like, I don't know, ex-CIA or
iyo akeneye private investigator cyangwa PI
Mossad.
Yagenda agashaka nk'umuntu wahokoze akora nko muri CIA cyangwa muri Mossad.
Feeder like Walter.
Apana abantu nka papa wanyu wari urahaciririza.
No.
Ntimubifate nabi wenda ngo mubazwe nuko mvuze papa wanyu.
So Lestat's building more hotels, so what?
It's not
Ese niba barashaka kubaka amahoteli.
hotel, it's a casino.
We ntago ari hoteli ni casino.
What do you know about casinos?
Casino suyiziho ikiwo.
Nothing. I just know how to read. It says sacred
Ariko nge nzi gusoma.
Princess Casino on the back.
Simbona handitse ngo bari bagiye kubaka casino yitwa Princess Casino. Soma hano inyuma urabibona. Ngo mu gitondo cyarabyutse do. Kiba cyatebeje ibintu ntibigeremo do.
120.
Chimoto hano.
What is James doing with you?
Chimoto. Wa moto ije musa kumaza iki karida yatunze moto nziza nk'igwe.
Right down to Rubishaw's construction site.
Nese tugiye kujya kwa Rubisha aho bagiye kubaka.
Not on my bike.
Apana kuri moto yanjye ariko.
That's the bus. It's like the olden days.
We yini nka bisi wakwicara inyuma.
Johnny, get off my bike.
Shingukira kuri moto.
Forget to tell you.
Sawa. Wibagiye karuvati se?
Good job.
Kombona. Gatinze tayari. Agiye kujya kureba ngo umugabo bita Robisho. Kuri moto do muze yabyaye ibyana bibiri. Kibisazi by'ibisayiko. Basore mwayobye ariko. Bageze hano ari umusaza basanze bondo nka mikorojeni.
Where are we?
Byaterwa turiye.
The kingdom of Hawaii, brother.
Mwaje mu bwami bwa Hawaii.
Yeah, I mean, this valley, who owns it?
Iki kibaya ni icyanyu.
You do.
Ni icyanyu. Ari umumeri wavuye ni icyanyu ubwo none.
And I do.
Ni icyanyu ni icyanyu.
We all do.
Twese ni icyacu.
But everybody's welcome here.
Ndetse buri muntu wese abahawe ikaze.
Auntie.
Mahalo
boy.
Mahalo boy, mahalo man.
No, this community was here.
Ntago nari nzi ko hano hatuye abantu.
Nobody does.
Nta muntu utuye hano.
Yeah.
Fasha hano ahubwo.
Remember this?
Urabyibuka.
Fucker.
mukora mu gutwi shigoryiwe.
Being here is about more than just family by blood.
Kuba hano birenze kuba muri umuryango mu
It's
maraso.
about ohana of community.
Ahubwo ni umubano wa community cyangwa se umuryango mugari mu wamubaye.
That's why we need to protect it.
Niyo mpamvu tuba tugomba kurinda hano.
These are Hawaiian homelands. Why didn't the
Hano
government
ni nk'aho ari mu rugo h'abantu bose batuye muri Hawaii.
do anything?
For 10 centuries,
Kubera iki leta nta kintu ijya
the
gukora.
Ahamoku have been
Ibinyejana hafi 10
responsible for this land.
hano hantu hahoze ari ahabitwa Ahamoku. Nyine n'abantu
I
bavukira.
think we live here because we don't have any homes.
Batekereza ko tuba hano tudafite ahandi hantu ho kujya kuba.
But the Howley